How to turn off sounds in the app on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off sounds in the app on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down and click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down until you find this one, media. Click on it, and now go down and you will find sounds in the app, and then just one click, and as you see, sounds in the app has been turned off. And that's how to turn off sounds in the app on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like, and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.